everyone, we're going to read Girl on the Motorcycle by Amy Novesky, illustrated by Julie Morstad. Let's start the book. Girl on the Motorcycle. Paris, 1973. She wants to write and to wander. She dreams of wandering the world to go elsewhere. So one day, the girl gets on the motorcycle and she rides away. She wears only what she needs: a helmet, goggles, a leather jacket to keep out the wet and the cold. She carries her life in a hand-sewn swan shawl and 2 saddlebags. Want to pack: a good pen, a sharp knife, a blank book, lipstick, a bathing suit, a pretty white dress, a pair of sandals, a toothbrush. Wrenches, clamps, Allen wrenches, a tarp, all cans, a gas can, a coffee mug, a sleeping bag, monkey cords, fork, eye drops, aspirin, a first aid kit, antibiotic, scissors, bandages, tape, a spoon, a pan, a tarp, keys, a tire, iron, a toolkit, pilers, screwdrivers. The little voice says, "It's dangerous to go around the world all by yourself." It says, "You will miss your cat, your clothes, Mozart." Another voice says, "Be quiet, listen to the road." And so she does. She listens to the road, and the road says, "Fast, go!" She cruises from Etoile to Champs-Élysées. She loops around the Arc de Triomphe. She waves on a voile to the Eiffel Tower. Canada, and Girl on the Motorcycle take a jumbo jet from Paris to Montreal. Sometimes the only way to cross the ocean is to fly. She sends a message back home: "I'm alive." And then she fills her tank with gas, and she heads west. The open road is wide and shines like leather. Gourday she rides, passing through towns like Maniwaki, Pequotton, Saskatoon. At night, she parks beneath trees at campgrounds, a good place to sleep. She washes up in service station sinks. Strangers bring her coffee. Some people smile, others snore. A girl on a motorcycle is a big deal. After dinner, she sets up her tent and makes a fire. How to make a fire: stack the wood like the spokes of a wheel. Make sure the logs are airy, not too high, not too low. Gather kindling, strike a match, and cup it with your hands. Blow gently till the kindling catches. Morning smells of damp earth, grass, wildflowers, the air thick with mystery, moss, and strawberries. She passes snow-capped mountains. Everything is wild and beautiful. The farther the girl goes, the fewer people she sees. The more trees. Soon there's no one. No signs, no cars, no electric poles. The road is hers. She was all alone. But she's not afraid. She is free. The stillness is broken only by the hum of her motorcycle engine. At the end of the day, the girl pulls off the road, dressed up, and eats of a roadside dinner. A plate of pancakes with extra syrup and butter for a buck. Some nights it rains. Drops tap her makeshift tent. She plays cards and rides to pass the time. Under nights it is clear, and above her stars sparkle and spin. Planets form, galaxies swirl. One night in the Yukon, she floats in the warm pool that glows like a mirror. She can feel the earth turn. Above her, Aurora Borealis, a world of colorful light, connects at the girl and heaven. She closes her eyes, she flies. At the border between Canada and the United States, a large sign welcomes her. The girl and her motorcycle fly from Anchorage to Tokyo. From Tokyo, go to the Indian Ocean to Bombay. The road charged with trucks and buses, rickshaws, and ambassador cars, cows, vegetables, and quickest elephants. Outside of the city, the road opens up. The sun is warm on the girl's skin. Her motorcycle engine purrs. She rides beside ruby red passenger trains, waves. She passes mud houses and carved palaces. Women in the field, their sandals curling about their feet like flower petals. Her bikes run out of gas. Her bike breaks down, needs to be repaired. When her motorcycle stops, the girl stops. It takes courage for the girl to live his way. She finds a shop, waves to mechanics. Some fix her bike or tree. She pays them with hand-drawn hearts and handshakes. Girls in pretty dresses make henna drawings on her hands. She shows them how to make hennaed hands into wings. They pepper her with questions. Who are you? Where do you come from? Where are you going? Proudly, their guide her bike. On her way to Delhi, her motorcycle breaks down again. So she takes a train, drinks a cup of tea, and writes as the world passes by. How to drink tea in India. Tea is called chai. Chai is milky and sweet. Drink it from a small clay cup. Smash the clay cup on the ground when you are done. Afghanistan. Tonight, Kabul, soon Kandahar. Faraway places the girl once dreamed of, and now here are. She takes the Khyber Pass. Some believe the shortest road from point to point is a straight line. But the girl and her motorcycle love curves. When her motorcycle is happy, the girl is happy. She descends into a lush valley. A river, wide, fast, and blue as a sapphire, flows beside her. She takes her heavy boot off and puts her feet in the cold water. She crosses a hot, dry desert. Ribbons of dust unfurl behind her. Dirt strings her eyes. Sun burns her skin. Air vibrates with heat. She falls often. Something is fun. It is fun. Sometimes not, but she always gets back up. She arrives in Kabul at sunset. Everything rose-colored. She treats herself to a cold drink. There are no signs on the old road to Bambayan. Her motorcycle breaks down again and again going up the last hill. Sometimes the only way up a hill is to climb. What awaits at the top is worth it. Cars into the ancient pearl-colored cliffs above her. Children but us, 16 countries old. Countries old. Inside there are stairs and rooms. The sandstone still warm from the day sun. The girl climbs from the Buddha's feet up to the top of his head, where she can see the entire horizon. The guy leaves her alone. I wish you all the happiness in the world. The only sounds clothes, rustling, and insect. The only sounds breathing, her heart beating. It just might be the most beautiful moment in the girl's life. In Kandahar, the flowers smell like honey. A boy gives her a just pink zinnia. A child with big gray eyes and red cheeks takes her hand and shows the girl her school, her home, her family. At the market, skins of meat, cardamom, cinnamon, gasoline. The girl bargains for silver jewelry. At the tea shop, she takes her helmet off, releasing her long brown hair. She is the only there. She writes letters home, shares her bike. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Outside the door, the girl draws a picture of the Eiffel Tower, a cloud and a bird where I am from. She spreads a map across the table. A small crowd gathers. She points where I am, where I want to go. On the way out of town, she blows a tire. She pulls to the side of the road to patch it. A truck stops. A group of men steps out. They help her change her tires. Her motorcycle is tall like her. How do you change a tire? Remove wheel, let air out of the tire. With your boot, loosen and lever the tire from the rim. Lever new tire onto rim and in the right direction. Inflate tire. Turkey, a pink sunset is a gift to the lone girl on the motorcycle on the way to Istanbul. Here a bridge connects the east to the west. The girl and her motorcycle cross from one continent to the another. The sea sparkles below her. One day she will write a book. She will tell the world. It is hard. It is hot. I learned a lot. Children run after her bike. Shout, hello, hello, mister. Goodbye. Her bike shout, goodbye, goodbye. Bulgaria, Yugoslavia, Hungary, Australia, Germany, whole countries passed by. Miles and miles of open road. Time passes and the quelle monte soit belle. It est belle. Giant go les get silent bonds. It les sort bonds. I want the world to be beautiful, and it is beautiful. I want people to be good, and they are good. Home, sunburned, bruised, and beaming. The girl arrives home on the cool gray day. Paris is the same, and it is different. She is the same and different too. The girl and her motorcycle have traveled thousands of miles. The pages of her passport are decorated with colorful stamps. She wears the world like a beautifully embroidered scarf. All the places she's been, the things she's seen. The world is beautiful. The world is good. When she closes her eyes, the girl can still hear the road. Elsewhere, it's just a little bit quiet. The end. Thank you for watching.